I got a nigga that come from the streets. That's my little baby, you know he a beast. I know he gon' do whatever for me. Just like some money, he keep it a G. I wanna give you the title. Oh yeah. I study your body like it was a final.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Edge, and I am so happy you guys decided to stop by my channel today and watch this video. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. It is very appreciated. And if you are a subscriber, hey, thank you so much for your support. And while you're at it, go ahead and join the notification gang as well. Before we get started into this review or reaction or whatever you want to call it, the unit that I'm wearing is by OUTRE, and it is called the Volume Press. I do have a video review of it on my channel. You can already tell I love this unit. It's one of my favorite units, and yeah, I think everybody should go out and buy it like immediately. Alright, so the wig I'm going to be discussing with you guys today is by OUTRE. The name of this unit is Jodie, and straight out the gate, I don't really like this unit. So before I get started on my initial review of this unit, I want to talk about the specs. She is a blunt cut wig. I got her in color 1B. She's a silky textured hair. Like it's silky, like very straight and very smooth and shiny, but it still has a little bit of texture in there, just a kick of texture in there. It's not enough for my liking, just by touching it and looking at it, but it's not horrible. Like it has 4 to 5 inches of parting space. It does give you a nice natural parting texture. I did not tweeze this unit at all. I didn't do anything but add a little bit of concealer to the part. I didn't tweeze it because, like I said, straight out of the pack, I really didn't like it. So I didn't feel like I was gonna wear it that much. So I didn't want to invest a lot of time into styling her and plucking her and all that stuff. Okay, so she has 2 combs in the front, right beside the parting area, and 1 comb in the back. Does have the elastic band back here that you can tighten or loosen depending on your preference, and it is pretty dense. It's not a very thin wig. It's a lot of hair. It's a good amount of hair, which is good. You can see the difference in the texture. Like this has a natural luster. It's very textured, but still like pressed out hair, whether it's with a relaxer or whether it's with a flat iron. It's pressed. This is just straight. That's not my thing. A couple years ago, they probably would have got me. I probably would have been head over heels in love with this unit. But as my style has evolved and appreciation for my natural hair texture has grown, silky straight hair just doesn't do it for me anymore. You know, it's nothing wrong with it. It's just not my jam. So for my review, that's a con for me. But it's a nice unit. I'm not getting a lot of shedding. All I've done so far was cut the lace. Like I said, no plucking or anything. So this is gonna be something new for all of us. Like I literally have no expectations of this unit because I haven't watched any reviews about it. So let me switch out what I got going on here, and we'll talk about the unit some more. Alright, y'all, so here's Jodie. Was I right about this texture, or was I right about this texture? It is so straight. Is she an ugly unit? Is she bad? Absolutely not. I mean, she is cut to perfection. I'm getting like no shedding whatsoever. Look at that. She's cut to perfection for sure. She feels really good, really soft, no tangling at all, no shedding whatsoever. Beautiful unit. Do I love it? No. I would give it like a 5 out of 10, specifically because of the texture hair. It's a really huge turn off for me to not have any volume and not have a lot of density. I think that it balances me out because, you know, I'm a BBW or whatnot, and I have a pretty large head, so I think that units with a lot more density and a lot more volume kind of just balance me out a little bit more than this does. However, I think this unit is beautiful. I think it is soft. She is affordable. I bought her at my local beauty store for $24.99 or something like that, and which is a big jump down from Yara. Yara is like $40 and up in most beauty stores. So this unit is very, very affordable and very, very pretty. Look at that part. Look at this. Like, I didn't pluck anything. I have not taken a tweezer or any other type of plucking device to this unit whatsoever. All I did was add concealer, and it already looks so good. I know I gave it a 5. I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 because if you're into this textured hair, if you're that sleek, very high shine luster, and, you know, cut to perfection and flat type of style, like if that's you, very clean and modern and sleek and edgy, this unit is for you. It's not specifically for me, but I'm not gonna let the ratings reflect my personal opinion because of texture. It is a very, very good unit. I swear to y'all, I thought I was gonna hate this shit as soon as I opened the pack. I just thought that I was gonna put this wig on, talk shit about it, and then give it away to like my sister or my mom or somebody. But now, I don't know. But I need to figure out a way to make this work because it is so gorgeous. And this unit is definitely big head friendly. All I had to do was adjust the straps in the back, and it doesn't feel like it's too tight. It doesn't feel like it's too big. It is just perfect, and that's what I love about the adjustable band in the back. If you do have a problem with the fit of the unit straight out of the pack, please take advantage of those straps in the back and be sure not to make the wig too tight. Okay, please make sure the wig isn't too tight because you will have the biggest migraine of your life in about 2 hours. So make sure you take advantage of those straps in the back to make them fit to perfection. You want it to be snug and secure, but not too tight to where you feel that band sticking into your scalp, because it might be okay when you leave the house, but I can guarantee you by the time you get to wherever the hell you were going, you're going to be ready to snatch that wig off and throw it in the backseat. I promise you. She is cut to perfection, honey. And usually, like with certain like butt cut wigs, because of my height is not like your average person's height and my proportions are average, these units are usually really off as far as the cut goes. But this one is like, it's perfect. I just wish it had a little bit more texture. I don't know, y'all. Like, let me know what y'all think, because like, it's not a bad unit at all. It's constructed well. It feels good on my head. It feels like my scalp can breathe. It's hitting me right on the shoulders. It's just so flat. And I'm not used to units like with no, not no texture, because it has a little bit, but it's just flat. Like, I don't know, but I want to like it. I do like it, but I'm trying to figure out, like, I want to wear it, but I'm trying to figure out how to wear it, because, like, I don't know. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Y'all. Yes. Oh my gosh. It's 10. It's 10. It's a 10. Like, yes. See, the hat changes everything for me because it gives the unit a reason to be flat. The hair is just not sitting on my face and just flat for no reason. With the hat on, it changes everything. Like, yeah. I like it. I like this unit a lot. I wouldn't give it a 10. I'd stick with the 9. But it's so cute. Yes. y'all, so this is my review of the unit. I love it. $24.99. You can't beat that deal. Outre is really doing their thing out here with the lace fronts these days, or lace parts, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Yeah, go cop this. It's like I loved it more and more as the video went on. Like, I love this unit. Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on your notifications for my posts, please, please, please. And yeah, tell your friends, share the video, comment, subscribe, rate, like whatever it is you do on YouTube, just do that for this channel. Like, I need all the support that I can get. Thank you all so much for even clicking on my video to watch it in the first place. If you are an old subscriber from when I first started my channel, I appreciate you guys so much. The fact that I already had those subscribers like gave me so much courage and so much strength and motivation to even get back on YouTube after my like 4-year hiatus. And if y'all want to know why, I went through a lot of shit, like so much shit to get from the dark place that I was in till now. And I think I want to do a video on that, but I'm not sure. It's a lot, so I don't know if I want to be that open and scare everybody away. But hope you all have an amazing day, and yeah, come back, check out all my other videos, and